this session, we'll create another automation. This time, we'll create an automation to create user story. Let's click create flow from scratch. Okay, so we need a trigger. So I'll type work. So when work item is created, so this time I want to have a predefined user story. Okay, so if a type equals an epic, okay, we will create certain action, create a work item. In an earlier exercise, we selected create subtasks. Now we will create a work item. Okay, so we'll use the same space. This time we'll select story. You can specify user story 1. Okay. Then you can put additional field value if you want. So this is for the parent. Now if we want additional work store to duplicate this one, we click this button, this option to create additional user stories. So we have user story 1, user story 2, user story 3. Okay, so story 3. Now we will name this flow as auto create user story. We just click save and enable. So we have now auto creation of user story. So let's go to our board again. Do a refresh. So let's create a epic. Okay, so that epic is epic automation 1. Okay, let's do a refresh. Now we see here epic automation 1. Okay, in epic automation 1, 3 user stories are created. Now in each user story, 3 subtasks are created. Okay, why is that? In the earlier exercise, we auto-create, there's an automation to auto-create our subtask. So let's go to our automation. Okay, we created the auto-create subtask in the previous exercise together with the user story. they executed. One, when we created the epic, it auto-created the user story. Then, since the user story is created, the automation for creating the subtask is also been triggered. Okay, so that's our exercise today. So I hope this helps you in your automation needs. Thank you.